Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or turn off the voiceover on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village, and you can find so many buttons on the home screen. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen, go to the settings button, and in the second section you can find the sound. Go to the last option, the voiceover, and if you want to turn off, click the off button, and if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. If you want to edit the volume of the voiceover, click to the square icon and just pull on the line and down. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.